Let us create a custom Git organization now. In order to create a new GitHub organization, go to github.com and log in into your account. So this is my GitHub account. I'm logging in. It takes you to the home screen. In the upper right hand corner, if you click on the profile picture there, you will see settings here. Click on the settings, and if you scroll a bit down, choose organizations here, and let's create a new one now. I am choosing a free plan for now, so I'm creating a free organization. Name your organization. I'm naming it Prod Ref Guide, and also provide your contact email here. So I'm using my personal account, and just verify your account and go to next. Here, if you want to add someone to your organization, you can do it, or just skip this step and complete the setup. This is a small questionnaire. If you are interested, you can provide some information there. So this is what I do. Just choosing some defaults here. Manage code, I collaborate, maybe just CI/CD setup, and I don't have an existing repository for my project. So this is my new GitHub organization. Let us now create GitOps repositories in the new GitHub organization. We have 4 different GitOps repositories, and we can use these templates to create our own repos now. Let us first begin with this multi-tenancy GitOps template. If you access this particular template, you find this option. Just click on this and choose your organization here, which is Prod Ref Guide for me, and name your repository. You can also describe it. And I'm marking my repository as public for now, and I'm creating this repository from the template. I have the multi-tenancy GitOps repository. Similarly, let's grab the other templates as well. This is the infra repository, which is responsible for holding all the infra related resources. Similarly, let's go ahead and create one for services as well. And lastly, one for apps. Once all these repositories are successfully created, go to your org and you will see all the GitOps repositories here. Now let us clone these repositories into our local system. In order to do that, let's create a gitorg variable and just grab your organization name here. My organization name is Prod Ref Guide. Once I set my environment variable, let us make sure. Yep, it is there. So this is my home directory. I am storing all my local clones in Git repository. So I'm grabbing all the repositories we previously created in our org into my local system now. Let's grab the other two repos as well. And now if you see all 4 of the repositories here. So here our primary GitOps repo is multi-tenancy GitOps repo. Let us now go to this repository and review the structure of it. You can see different files and folders here. Let me brief you about these contents just to get an idea. You see the bootstrap folder here. It holds different profiles that are responsible for cluster initialization. We can choose any of the available profiles there. And we also see a couple of other folders like scripts and setup, which are responsible for holding different scripts that does many things like installation, customizations, etc. We will be using this a lot in this tutorial, and as we go further, you'll become very familiar with it. For GitOps, let us install ArgoCD into our Red Hat OpenShift cluster. Initially, you should log in into your cluster. This is my OpenShift cluster, and in order to grab the login command, click here and use this link to grab the token. Here is my login command. So let me use this command and log in into my cluster. So I am logged in. Now let us install the ArgoCD operator into our cluster. We are using Red Hat GitOps operator to install this ArgoCD. Let's grab this command and set our ArgoCD up. Once I apply all the files that are residing in this OCP47 setup folder, you will see a couple of resources being created. The ArgoCD operator is being installed. Now let's wait till the installation is complete. You can see the condition being met. That means the installation is complete. Let us verify if the cluster role and cluster role bindings are created successfully. Let's grab these commands and drop them in the terminal to make sure all of them are created successfully. You can see all of them here. Now let us go back and grab this command to delete the default ArgoCD instance. The reason why we are doing this is basically the ArgoCD comes with certain built-in health checks for Kubernetes resources. The custom resources that come with IBM Cloud Packs for integration, they need more health checks other than the default ones. That is why we defined certain custom health checks using Lua that is supported by ArgoCD. Now we are going to deploy that custom instance instead of this default one. So let's go back and grab the custom instance here. So I am applying the custom instance using this particular command. You can see that the OpenShift GitOps CNTK is created successfully. Now that we installed the ArgoCD custom instance successfully, let's launch the ArgoCD UI. In order to grab the URL, use this command. This will provide us the route for the ArgoCD UI. Let's grab this URL and open it in our browser. You can ignore all these warnings. And you can see the ArgoCD UI login page here. So in order to grab the credentials, let's get the secret. So your username will be admin and password will be this one. So let's grab the password, go back to the ArgoCD UI, enter your username and just paste the password you grabbed earlier. Let's sign in. And this is the home page for the Argo CD UI.